Hi, welcome to Campers Unlimited. I'm Will Wright. Today I'm going to cover a feature on most campers of the fifth wheel or some of the high-end travel trailers, auto level. We get a lot of phone calls, people call and say they can't figure out how to make it work, or they get error codes, just how to do it correctly. So I'm going to go over that with you today. A lot of your campers will have, especially on your fifth wheels, will have two sets of auto level controls. One right here on the pin box, which is convenient to help get it off the truck since you are going to have your truck backed up under here. And then you can stand here while you lift it, lower it back down, and then you can use an access panel that's inside of your front compartment. This is standard on fifth wheels and most of your travel trailers. Same location. But simply how you do this, if you're still hooked up to your vehicle, it has an up and down arrow button. If you press those both at the same time, that will power your unit. Now, a lot of people tell me they've come up to the buttons, they start pushing and nothing's happening. Nothing happening because it hasn't been turned on yet. If you simply do that, once it's on, you can then hit your up button to raise the camper up to get it off the truck, or vice versa down once you get it out from under it. Once your truck is moved and you've got it clear of the camper, then you can hit your auto level. But here's where you have a lot of people run into problems. They will say they see this light blinking red and there is absolutely no function. There is a tip to making an auto level system work the first time. Once you lift it off of your truck, if you will simply step back away from the camper and look and see if the front of the camper is higher than the rear. Depending on where you've parked in the campground, that may not be the case. But on any auto level system, the nose of the camper has to start high. So if it happens to be down, use your up arrow button and raise the camper up higher so that you can see it is definitely tilting backwards. Once you've done that, then you can hit the auto level and it will never have a problem. If you start the other way around though, your auto level system may start beeping, it'll be flashing red, and then the only way to reset it is to follow your manual, put it into a manual mode, nothing automatic, to where you can run the jacks down by yourself, not using the computer to do so. Then they say, well, my system won't turn off. It will turn off. All these run about 5 minutes, just making sure that you're done, or if it's going through the auto level sequence, making sure it's completely level before it shuts the computer down. If you'll leave it alone, the computer will shut this off. Now, to do the auto level, you do have to have your 12-volt disconnect turned on. So a battery has to be on board. You have to be hooked up to the truck in order to get power. But if you don't have that 12-volt disconnect turned on, there is no way for this brain to have any kind of power. So to make it simple, once you've set this camper, gotten it off the truck, legs are down, you've pulled away, you have not put your slides out, open any doors, step back, make sure the camper is nose high. If it's not, make it nose high by using your up and down buttons. Once you determine that, press your auto level, jacks will go down. Once it's finished, it will beep and turn green. Once that's done, you are finished. You can now open your slides, set up, hook up your power and your water and your cable, and you'll be good to go. Hope that helps.